Yo, what is up guys, it's JK, welcome back to another banger video. Today I'll be going downstairs even if it's 1 a.m. Yeah. And a bottle of water right there. Who left the water? This lift is broken down. Oh. What? Okay.
Alright guys, so good evening guys, good evening. The floor, we're going up. Did we press ground?
Yeah.
We actually first going to the
60th floor maybe, or the 50th?
This guy, I think he's on the 60th floor. The lift is still going, I think to the 60th floor. We're gonna collect someone there, but I don't know the person. Obviously, no, it's actually on the 55. Right. So now we are heading down. As you can see, we are on the lift, and we'll take it from there as time goes on. The place where we live, we are actually going to get some snacks that we want. As you can see, people are just coming in. The lady, we just quickly open before. I think that name is mine. So this is actually the reception. So when you actually come in,
very good.
You visit this place, you will find a reception like this where you find everything there, right? And then there, it is the place where you can actually sit and wait for whoever you are waiting for. There's such a nice decorations, right? Nice decorations. And there's two chairs there where you can actually sit and walk. And here there's also a couch and two chairs there and a small table there. Right. So apparently now when you actually come, you'll find that you have to use the tech to open from outside and come in. Right. So the place to come, right? So we are actually back to the room, back to the room. So here is the place where the lifts are. As you can see, it's such a beautiful place. Everything is so good. So good, guys. They've got nice marble floors. Such a beautiful place. These are lifts.
Oh, it's here. The lift is here.
All the lifts and so forth. Are we taking the which lift? Are we taking that one? Okay.
Yeah.
So obviously we're taking the goods lift. This is the goods lift, guys. So that can't do that to us. I don't want to go. Come, let's go into it. The other one is still coming. That one doesn't want to go. So all right, it's fine. So let's wait. This one will be quicker. As you can see, on 25, 23, 22, 20th. Yeah. It is such a beautiful place. The place, they call it Bukit Bintang. Bukit Bintang. No. It's Bukit. It's in Bukit Bintang. This is where the place is. It's actually in Bukit Bintang. Agile. Okay. So
If you scan the key.
So here we can't go up without. We are now going to head into the 40th floor. 40th floor. That's where we're going. You can actually see us on the meters. It has got meters. So we went past now 7 because we're in 7. Now we went past 7. So you can see how fast the lift is going, guys. There's number 23rd, 23A, 25, 27, 28, 30th floor. We've got 10 floor left. So 33, 34, 33A, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's where we are, right? Right, so we're getting off, guys. We're getting off. On the left-hand side here, you see there's a big, they actually switch off the lights. It's such a beautiful place. Everyone is sleeping. Right, so let's quickly go inside. We are actually now going to our room, right? We're going to our room. Going to our room. And then we're going to our room. So here, when you enter here, you have to use a key card in order for you to be able to open. All right. Then when you enter, guys, this is the apartment. This is where we are. As you can see,